So, good morning and hello mga langga. So today, I am here in Davao City since July 4, but then it's just a busy day, preparation for the wedding of my cousin, and we are here at the Edens, and I'll show you the entrance fee. And this is my cousin. We are here at Fishing Village. We are having lunch here. They are having lunch here, and we're going to fishing. They have different options here. We will have 800 buffet, and which is 300 for only Philippine fishing. Maraming sila different food. Para ganin na yan, para mo sa kuan.
Para sa tilapia, para makakuha. Okay, game.
You should put either nature park one of your bucket list because they super enjoy. They have lots of recreational activities if you want to go fishing and sky. Later we'll go on an adventure. They have restaurants here and it's their fun. So hello everyone, I am here at Paradise Island in Samal. So it's really one of the cheapest beach island here in Davao. So I'm so glad that I was able to visit here. And their boat fee is only 25 and 300 once you get here. But you cannot have like baon because they will charge you a corkage. So, Mangga, I'm home now from Davao, so I'm going to share with you what's my skincare routine or updated skincare routine. Right now, I'm literally having a small breakout, but that is only one of my breakout right now. But this product that I'm suggesting to you is really good if you have sensitive or acne prone skin like me. So when it comes to skincare mga langga, before anything else, let me share it with you that hindi talaga ako mahilig sa foundation or concealer or anything makeup. I only use for kilay and my lips. So I'm using MQ Cosmetics for my lips right now. It's shade Almond, and it's really it has a cooling effect and very lightweight siya. Okay. So mga laga, hindi pa ako nagwa-wash ng face, so that you will see kung anong face wash na ginagamit ko, face wash. So ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon, Dr. Sensitive. Yan, Dr. Sensitive with niacinamide plus salicylic acid face and body shop. So for brighter and smoother skin, stronger and healthier skin barrier, no dyes, no mineral oil. So it has also vitamin C, lactic acid, and glycolic acid. And nagamit ko na pala siya. So ito yung nagamit ko. Kinakat ko siya para mas tipid. Yung ganon. And ISO siya certified. For acne prone and sensitive skin mga langga, you need to have a niacinamide in your face. Kasi nakapag-bright and nakapag-dry ng skin yun. And it's really good if you have acne prone skin like salicylic acid. And it helps reveal smoother and refined skin texture. This is only $140. I bought this from Watsons. You can buy this also in Shopee. Mga langga, just search Dr. Sensitive. So I'll drop the link below for this. So here is it mga langga after kung nag-wash ng face. Next sa skincare routine ko is this Nivea Micellar Acne Clear Skin Breath 3-in-1 Caring Cleanser. So cleanser siya, nagagamit ko na siya kaya ito na lang yung natira. So Watsons ko din to nabili. So ang toner natin, mga langga, is this Pimple Eraser Quick Fix. Here. Pimple Eraser Toner with 2% salicylic acid and 0.5 glycolic acid and plus 1% niacinamide. And it's really good to have this if you have a sensitive and acne prone. Also, plus vitamin C. So it helps to dry pimples, reduce visible redness, and tighten pores. Contains a proven acne fighting formula that helps prevent future breakouts and lighten dark spot and previous one. So 2 weeks ko na siyang ginagamit. Hindi lang ako nakapag-pick ng breakout ko dito. Dito lang, but small breakout. Ito na lang yung natira. Kasi nag-switch ako ng skincare. Ito na ngayon yung updated skincare ko. Ito pala yung toner niya sa Quick Fizz. Toner of Quick Fizz kasi nag-switch ako ng skincare. This is spray bottle, 30 ml. Ito siya. Yan. I have cotton in here. Pwede yung ganun. Tapos pa-upward dito. Kapag nagtutuner, apply ka. Tapos one way lang. Yan. Natin mga laga sa updated skincare routine ko is this pimple eraser, only 449. Diba, aside sa mga sobrang mahal kapag serum talaga yung ginagamit pong skincare. Ayan, yan. Quick Fizz pa rin, pimple eraser. For acne prone and sensitive skin, this is clarifying serum. It has salicylic acid, witch hazel, centella asiatica extract. So, powered with the right balance of ingredients that helps produce pimples, curb excess oil, and lighting spots, resulting in clear, bright skin, minimize shine, and fight and the appearance of future breakouts. So, this is good to apply morning and evening mga. So, here we go. Ito yung mukha niya. This is only 449. Kasi yung mga super affordable niya. Kasi yung ibang cleanser, serum, is cost 700. Sorry, 700 and then like 800, like almost 1,000. This is only 449. Quick Fizz. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Super easy to use. So lastly, for our updated skincare routine is this Quick Fizz pa rin. This is not sponsor. Mga langga. Okay, so this is Quick Fizz with glycosilic acid. Alright, that smoothens and evens out skin tone. It also helps clear pores and removing dead skin cells and revealing healthy skin. So this is only 59 pesos if you want to try this pimple eraser na cream. So we are done on our updated routine mga morning and evening. So if you have suggestion for another vlog video, please click the like and subscribe and comment for any suggestions video. So thank you. See you later mga